How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Flydigi Vader 4 Pro to PS5. Now, to answer this question quickly, unfortunately, we cannot natively connect this controller onto PS5 because Sony does not support third-party hardware, including Flydigi. So it's highly recommended to only use Sony products when playing PlayStation 5. But of course, there's a way to do this. But you have to get yourself something like this Brook Wingman 2FC. Basically, what this will do is that it will convert any controller and make it compatible for PS5. So you just want to place the Brook Wingman onto the USB port of your PS5. So just plug it in directly. And then what you can do is to also plug the USB port of your controller and then connect it using the controller's charger and connect it directly through the Brook Wingman. So the sequence is going to be Brook connecting to PS5 and the wired connection of your controller. Basically, it could be Type C, Type A, or whatever. And then you just want to plug the other end onto the Brook Wingman. That will basically make most of the controllers out there compatible for something like PS5. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.